we're airborne, I'd like to say a very good afternoon and extend a very warm welcome on board British Airways flight to Dubai. My name's Rich Mays, my great pleasure to be crew member leading a team of 23 looking after you in the cabin today. Also like to take this opportunity of introducing you to my other three senior colleagues looking after our customers on the upper deck in Club World is Ivy. In charge of our World Traveller Plus cabins on the upper deck is Mark, and leading the team of World Traveller on the main deck is Isham. I'd like to extend a special welcome to those of you returning from our executive club, and indeed anybody joining us from one of our other One World Alliance partners. It's super to have you all with us.